So hello sweetie, welcome back to Cook with Grace Kisswill. So if you are a lover of good food and you love making good homemade food that will satisfy your craving and they are also rich, in case of any allergy you are sure of what you put inside your food, then know that Cook with Grace Kisswill is your sure plug. So today we are making carrot rice. So just follow the procedure, but I will be telling you the things you need to do, and all you need to know is that cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay, so then you boil your chicken or any protein of your choice. Then you fry. I actually fry them this way because I don't want it to be deeply fried because I have another plan for it. So sweetie, please, if you love this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, and also subscribe. Get notified anytime I post a new video. So sweetie, am I the only one that whenever I'm frying, I always cover the pot so that the oil will not splash on me? Let me just know, sweetie. You can share with me your own experience on the way you protect yourself to avoid the oil splashing your body. Okay. I add butter in my pot, add fresh rosemary, bay leaf, chopped onions, ginger, and garlic, and you stir them properly. Now the reason is just to bring out this nice fragrance and aroma. Then you get that your blended carrot, that your carrot and bell peppers that you blend, then you add them in. Being that is boiled already, so you add your chicken stock or your meat stock, whichever stock you're using. Then you add your wash thoroughly. Then you cover and allow it to cook. Okay. So let's go over to the turkey making of the sauce. Okay. So in your frying pan, you add some olive oil, garlic and ginger. You saute it. Add your scotch broth, roughly scotch broth, fresh pepper. Allow it to saute and bring out the seasoning. Then add some salt. Then sprinkle, use some one Maggi cube. One Maggi cube is enough, or you can add your seasoning if you like. But me, I don't want it too much spicy because the turkey itself is well seasoned. You add that your turkey, the ones you just fry a little bit, then you add your oyster sauce and you stir properly. Now this time around, the reason for stirring is to make sure everything combines, the pepper penetrate inside very well. Then you sprinkle some onions. This is how some eat in their restaurant, but we are making a good homemade food and we are not selling in a restaurant, oh, we have to eat good, you know that. So you stir after 5 minutes of putting the onions, and ta-da, our turkey spice is ready. So over.
So, ta-da! It's ready.
So, like I said earlier, if it is basmati rice, 20 minutes is probably cool. But since this is not basmati rice, this is normal pre-boiled rice. It will take 25 to 30 minutes in a low heat. The rice is properly cooked because it's cooked with the steam. Then you add your freshly vegetable. This vegetable actually has been in my freezer for almost getting to a month. Yet it's still fresh, oh. This thing has been very fresh and still look great. Tadan! Our carrot jollof rice is ready. So let's go over to the making of the spinach salad. So in a frying pan, we sprinkle some olive oil. Then you add garlic, ginger, and stir fry. While stir frying it, the next thing you do is to get your broccoli. Add your broccoli and stir fry the broccoli. If you don't want to stir fry, you can as well boil the broccoli if you want. Okay. So, but I personally I want it stir fry. Add little salt to give it that taste so that it will not be blunt that way. Yeah, another thing we do next is to get our avocado. Get your avocado, you smash them. If you have a smasher, if you don't have smasher, use your fork and do it this way like I did. Then I'll thoroughly wash my spinach with vinegar in a bowl. Add the spinach, and the broccoli, the
Just 2 minutes boiled shredded carrots.
peppers. We have the green one. We have the red one. We have the yellow one. And a little bit of onion. We add the avocado mashed, mince it, some black pepper, So sweetie, I'll be adding some lemon. I'll squeeze the lemon and squeeze that cheese from the. So you can see the avocado gave it this a bit creamy look because of the avocado. So but salad is ready. Okay, so it's ready to be served. So we'll serve. So sweetie, let's serve. Get a plate, put your carrots, jollof rice, add your spinach salad, pair it with some fried plantain, then with the turkey sauce. See that? So there's the rice. First of all, I'm a lot of plantain. Oh my god. And it's the turkey. The goodness of this turkey. This food is a must try. It's 10 over 100, 10 over 10 minus nothing. Give it a try. Bye bye.